SwissParam is one of the useful and practical tools in computer-aided drug design developed by the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics. First, we consider a molecule, here, the drug Captopril, to evaluate its protonation state. Copy the smiles string and paste it into the corresponding field. For now, we run SwissParam using the default settings. This is the results page. It shows the query structure and 3 other identified protonation forms of Captopril. State number 2 has an unusual protonation pattern and does not exist under normal conditions as shown in the graph. The structure with the protonated carboxylic group is displayed as the query and exists at very low pH. Form number 1, shown in green, is the dominant species, particularly in the mid-range pH. Finally, form number 3 exists at high pH. As shown at pH 7, Captopril mainly exists in form number 1. You can also check the relative ratios of different species at various pH values. If you return to PubChem, you can see that the protonation form of Captopril listed there is not the correct one at physiological pH 7.4.